Hey guys! Today we're doing the edible slime challenge. That means you can eat it.
We're making 4 different types of edible slime. I'm making marshmallow.
And I'm making Starbursts. And I'm making gummies.
And I'm making lifesavers. Wait, before we get started, you gotta separate the colors. But I'm gonna use all the colors, guys, don't worry. I'm gonna make everyone's slime messed up again. Don't worry, I got you.
Okay, yeah.
So,
Pick a color.
let's get started.
Okay, so now that we opened up our bags, we're going to pour some into our bowls. Our lovely microwavable bowls. Oh, I almost forgot. We need a microwave. Whoa, that was amazing. Look, we're magicians, not just slime makers.
Powers.
Yeah.
We're putting our ingredients into our bowl so we can microwave it for 10 seconds each time.
Gina!
Don't take it from my bowl.
I never had a microwave here.
Oh, that's so weird.
Hey, air comes out.
You did it.
The light's glitching.
There you
Okay.
One more, maybe? Is it melted?
Just put it on.
go. Ish.
Ish.
Like,
You want 10 more.
You're putting it in a bowl?
This?
Yeah.
There's only red and green and red and blue.
We'll put the rest. Alright.
voila.
Okay, so is that it?
There's nothing in there anymore.
Okay, now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna put my marshmallows in. Welcome to Baking with Jada. First, you want to put in about a cup of marshmallows. You put it in the microwave. You close the microwave and you put it on for at least 20 seconds. No, let me put 10 at a time. Maybe that's not happening.
Did
I wanna
Wait.
see on- Microwave looks
And then a bird. Jada, baking with Jada.
Baking with Jada gone wrong. Let's see what that looks like.
I turn.
Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, so now that my marshmallows are melted, I think it's
Ew.
Joanna's turn.
What's her
Joanna,
name?
Abel, stop talking about it. On the
Ah!
But does this look like you?
There we go. So let's see how this goes.
If you guys want to see a baking channel, comment down below.
That kind of
Comment
looks
down
like
below.
cookies.
Yeah. I know how to
I
bake.
know, right?
I'm excellent.
Let's do that again.
Another 10 seconds.
I think I need
You have to microwave it for 10 seconds 3 times for it to actually get some results.
Mom, should I put every green that I got in it
And
and then do it again?
I think it's done. No, another again. What? No? Almost there. Daddy, no. No, it's still hard. Look
Let
at
me
it.
see.
Yeah, okay, do it.
Oh my gosh, this is like 4.
This Starburst is way thicker than gummies and marshmallows, so that's why she's
Again?
taking the longest.
Here, let me see
Put
this.
it on 40 seconds. I'm just kidding. No, don't do that. Put it on like 20.
She probably did like 3,000.
It's not gonna do nothing in my bowl. I think it's the right consistency.
Like 3,000.
I just saw smoke coming out of it.
Of what?
Joanna sets the house on fire.
Joanna.
In this episode.
No, look. Stop.
Joanna,
Stop.
stop it. Stop. No.
Stop it. Again. Oh yeah, it's melted.
Grab your spoon.
I'm gonna
Mix.
Yeah, let her mix. See? That's really melted.
Ew. What the heck,
Wait,
Joanna
why didn't you
just
pick a
did?
specific color? Well, it's kind of orange-ish.
No, it's like fire.
So this is Joanna's.
It's kind of like fire. No, sorry.
Sorry,
There's
Jada.
some more.
Let me have salad and I'll give you some.
Salad.
Try to spray it down. Salad.
Never burn your babies like this. They're little baby gummy bears. This
Oh,
is
this
worse.
is so cute.
They're so cute.
That looks.
But too bad.
Alright.
Too bad. Die. I know.
Whoa.
Mine's so
Okay.
awesome.
Dying
Alright.
in a fire.
No, they're not done.
Still not done.
Under.
Stop. This is
Okay, let's start making the actual slime
No,
so we
one
don't
more.
have to keep doing it over and over.
And now we're gonna get the microwave out of our way.
After Jen
Half
gets
an
out the way. Yeah.
That's how. Oh, guys.
Joanna's Starburst has to keep mixing it.
Oh.
Yep, so now we're just going to mix it to make sure the stuff gets melted. You know, it stays melted, especially for Joanna's because it does harden quickly.
Hold on.
So she needs to constantly mix it.
These guys need friends. You need to pray for him.
No,
Pray.
don't put any more.
Pray for your brother, guys. I'm so sad you guys died.
Okay, so now we're going to add in our powdered sugar. Like half of each. Oh, it's flopping.
Alright, here.
Marry me.
Not all.
That's about half.
You probably should just start. Alright, good.
Stirring begins.
I'm mixing in my powdered sugar with my marshmallows.
I'm gonna have a small slime.
Oh, look
Yeah.
It's not done because it's hard.
Oh, it's getting sticky. Oh.
Why don't we do this every day then and just have this for breakfast?
Get cavities.
I know that's the whole point.
So this
What
is
do you
my
think the point of
slime.
candy is? Not to
Keep
get
it
My
cavities.
slime.
Yup. Have cavity, kids.
Oh, I didn't add the cornstarch.
Okay, so.
I just
I
want
didn't
this.
eat mine yet.
Well, I mean mine.
Mine is really good.
Can you let me drink? This
Will
is
you?
disgusting.
Powdered sugar on it.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
This is why we don't do marshmallow slime.
I don't really like powdered sugar, so it's okay. You know.
Mmm.
Here, you guys want to try?
My drink back. I don't even want to drink. This is delicious.
I said I don't like it. No, it gets all sticky. It's probably like giving me revenge.
Give me this.
I already gave you a piece.
Oh, but it's so fluffy.
Here, Mom.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
It tastes like a marshmallow.
It's really sugary.
Here,
I don't
here,
like
little
it.
bird.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna sleep with this forever. Here's your Jacob. Very sticky.
So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to this
You want
channel
any
and turn on the notification
Come
bell.
on, grab.
And,
You don't want any?
yeah, this video was great because we finally got to eat slime. No.
You know, it really it tastes good.
Okay, I'll have one bite.
Thank you guys for watching. Hey,
Yeah.
come on.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
It does taste good.